Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. I hope you are fine. I am going to discuss mathematics class second year chapter number 1 functions and limit. In this lecture, I will solve exercise number 1.3 question number 2 part 1 to 4, that is most relevant for paper's point of view. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Let's start question 3. Evaluate each limits by using algebraic techniques. Part 1. Limit x approaches to minus 1, x cube minus x divided by x plus 1. So start. First, limit x approaches to minus 1, x cube minus x divided by x plus 1 as x cube minus x divided by x plus 1 is of 0 by 0 form. If we put x is equal to minus 1, so minus 1 whole cube minus into minus 1 divided by minus 1 plus 1 is equal to minus 1 whole cube is equal to minus 1 minus multiply minus plus 1 divided by minus 1 plus 1, which is equal to 0 by 0 form. So limit x approaches to minus 1, x cube minus x divided by x plus 1 is equal to 0 by 0 form. Next, limit x approaches to minus 1, x cube minus x divided by x plus 1. So limit x approaches to minus 1, take common x into x square minus 1 divided by x plus 1. So we rationalize numerator function. Limit x approaches to minus 1, x into x square minus 1 can also be written in the form of x minus 1 into x plus 1 all divided by x plus 1, x plus 1, x plus 1 cancel. Next, limit x approaches to minus 1, x into x minus 1, which is equal to x approaches to minus 1. So applying limits as x approaches to minus 1, so minus 1 into minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1, which is equal to minus 1 into minus 1 minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 multiply minus 2 is equal to plus 2, which is the required solution. Next, part number 2. Limit x approaches to 0. Three x cube plus 4x divided by x square plus x. Solution. Limit x approaches to 0. 3x cube plus 4x divided by x square plus x as 3x cube plus 4x divided by x square plus x is of 0 by 0 form. If we put x is equal to 0, So 0 plus 0 divided by 0 square 0, which is equal to 0 by 0 form, which is equal to 0 by 0 form. Limit x approaches to 0, 3x cube plus 4x whole divided by x square plus 1. So we rationalize numerator and denominator terms. Limit x approaches to 0, take common x, 3x square plus 4 divided by, take common x, so x plus 1, x cancel. Limit x approaches to 0, 3x square plus 4 divided by x plus 1. Next, by applying limits, by using rules of coefficients, limit x approaches to 0 into 3 x square plus 4 divided by limit x approaches to 0 into x plus 1, which is equal to 3 into 0 whole square plus 4 divided by x approaches to 0, so 0 plus 1, which is equal to 0 plus 4 divided by 0 plus 1, which is equal to 4 divided 1 is equal to 4, which is the required solution. Dear student, next part 3, limit x approaches to 2x cube minus 8 divided by x square plus x minus 6. First, as it is, limit x approaches to 2x cube minus 8 divided by x square plus x minus 6 as x cube minus 8 divided by x square plus x minus 6 is of 0 by 0 form. If we put x is equal to 2, so 2 cube minus 8 divided by 2 whole square plus 2 minus 6, 2 cube is equal to 8 minus 8 divided by 2 square 4 plus 2 minus 6, 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, 4 plus 2 6, 6 minus 6 is equal to 0, 0 by 0 form. Limit x approaches to 2 x cube minus 8 divided by x square plus x minus 6. So we rationalize the numerator and denominator. Limit x approaches to 2x cube minus 8 is equal to multiply 2 is equal to 2 cube. So 2 cube divided by rationalize x square plus x minus 6. So x square plus 3x minus 2x minus 6. 3 2 times 6. 3 minus 2 is equal to 1. So limit x approaches to 2x x cube minus 2 cube can also be written in the form formula a cube minus b cube is equal to a minus b into a square plus a b plus b square. So we can write x minus 2 into x square plus 2 square plus 2x divided by taking common x into x plus 3 minus 2 common x plus minus multiply minus plus 2 3 times 6 limit x approaches to 2 x minus 2 into x square 2 square is equal to 4 plus 2x divided by x minus 3 into x plus 3 x minus 2 into x plus 3 x minus 2 cancel. So limit x approaches to 2 x square plus 4 plus 2x divided by x plus 3 using rule of limits, quotient rule of limits, that is limit x approaches to 2 into x square plus 4 plus 2x divided by limit x approaches to 2 into x plus 3 is equal to x approaches to 2, so 2 square plus 4 in plus 4 plus 2 into 2 divided by limit x approaches to 2 into x plus 3, so 2 plus 3 using power, sum and product rule. So 2 square 4 plus 4 plus 2 times 4 divided by 3 plus 2 5, 4 plus 4 8 plus 4 12, divide 5, which is the required solution. Dear student, next part number 4. Limit x approaches to 1 x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 divided by x cube minus x. So limit x approaches to 1 x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 divided by x cube minus x as x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 divided by x cube minus x is of 0 by 0 form if we put x is equal to 1. So 1 cube minus 3 into 1 square plus 3 into 1 minus 1 divided by 1 cube minus 1. 1 cube is equal to, using power, subtract and plus rule, 1 cube 1 minus 3 1 square 1 minus 3 plus 3 1 time 3 minus 1 divided by 1 cube 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1 cancel, plus 3 minus 3 cancel, 1 minus 1 0, so it is equal to 0 by 0 form. So is equal to 0 by 0 form. Next, limit x approaches to 1 x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1 divided by x cube minus x. So we factorize the numerator and denominator function. Limit x approaches to 1 x cube minus 3x square plus 3x minus 1, which is the formula of x minus 1 x cube, x minus 1 whole cube divided by, taking common x, so x into x square minus 1, which is equal to limit x approaches to 1 x minus 1 whole cube divided by x into x minus 1 into x plus 1. So again factorize x square minus 1, x minus 1 cancel, so limit x approaches to 1 x minus 1 whole square divided by x into x plus 1 is equal to limit x approaches to 1 x minus 1 whole square is equal to x square plus 1 minus 2x divided by x into x plus 1 is equal to, using quotient rule of limits, limit x approaches to 1 into x square plus 1 minus 2x divided by limit x approaches to 1 x into x plus 1. So 1 square plus 1 minus 2 into 1 divided by 1 into 1 plus 1, which is equal to 1 plus 1 minus 2 divided by 1 into 1 plus 1 is equal to 2, which is equal to 1 plus 1 2, 2 minus 2 0, 0 by 2, which is equal to 0. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world. If you like my lecture, then please subscribe, share, like and press bell icon for latest update on my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching my YouTube lecture. Okay, Allah Hafiz.